Hi students, now I am going to explain BR tag. BR tag is a line break tag. Also, it is a empty tag. It is used to enter line breaks. It is useful for writing addresses, poems, or songs lyrics. Okay. In this example, inside the body tag, I am writing the text like inside the paragraph, comma. We can put the line break tag and the tag BR tag. I am using BR tag. And to transfer a part of the text to, again I am using line break BR tag. Next another line if necessary, again close the body tag slash backslash body. Okay, now see what is the output of this. Look at this. Inside the paragraph comma we can put the line break tag. After that, to transfer it comes after next line, is it? So see how many times we are using a line break. 1 2. Inside the body tag we are using two. First line is inside the paragraph we can put the line break, and next is second line is to transfer a part of that ones. And what is the third line? Another line if necessary, that is third line. Okay, this is the use of BR tag. Hope all are understand this. Okay, next one is HR tag. It stands for horizontal rule. It is used for drawing a horizontal rule line across the web page. There is 5 attributes: color attribute, size attribute, width attribute, align attribute, no shade attribute. First one is color attribute. Color attribute is used to change the default line color. The syntax is HR colors equal to red. And next one is size attribute. Size attribute is used to set the thickness of the line. The code is HR size equal to 26. Again, next one is width attributes. This attribute is used to specify the width of the horizontal line in terms of pixel or percent. Okay, HR width is equal to 80, or HR width is equal to some percentage, 20%. Next one is align attribute. Align attribute is used to position the line on the web page towards left or right or center. For example, HR width is equal to 26, align is equal to right. Here you are seeing the code. Inside the body tag, I am giving the first line is h1. Later I will explain this tag, h1 tag. Now leave this one. And next one is hr width is equal to 300 pixel. Okay, so this is the width attribute, hr width attribute. And again size equal to 10, align is equal to left. Okay, again p tag is a paragraph tag. I will explain later. Next again, next line hr width is equal to 50%, size equal to 20, and the text is html hr align attribute. Okay, again hr width is equal to 50%, size equal to 30, align is equal to right. I think you'll get some confused in this code. Let's see the output. What is the first line of this output? Geeks for geeks. First line h1, and that is geeks for geeks. Okay, below the geeks for geeks, what is there is one line, is it? That is hr, that hr width equal to 300 pixel, size 10, and align left. Look at that, that line is aligned at the left side. Okay, and that width is 300 pixel. What is the size? 10. That is very short height. Okay, again after we close the hr width, what is the p inside the p tag? Computer science portal. Okay, so next line computer science portal. After the computer science portal, what is that? hr width equal to 50%, size equal to 20, and align is equal to center. Look at the output. 1 2 3 4, fourth line of the output, it is aligned at the center position. The HR means horizontal rule line. Okay, that line is aligned at the center place, and that is width 50 percentage and size equal to 20. Understand? Okay, next one is HTML HR align attribute. Fifth line of the attribute output is HTML HR line attribute. Okay, and the right side right side code HTML HR align attribute. Okay, then HR width equal to 50 percentage, size equal to 30, align is equal to right. Okay, right side. The last line of the output, that HR horizontal rule line is located at the right side of the web page. Okay, now understand? Okay, next one is no shade attribute. No shade attribute is used to eliminate the 3D effects. It appears as a flat two-dimensional solid line in dark gray color. The syntax HR size equal to 20, and the no shade after the size you will mention like no shade. Look at this coding. Inside the body tag, paragraph tag is available. P, normal horizontal line, and HR means on horizontal line, with height of 30 pixel. So we are using the size equal to 30. HR size equal to 30. HR size equal to 30. Again another one, paragraph, horizontal line with height of 30 pixel and no shade. The code is HR size equal to 30, no shade. Now again close the body tag. Okay, now see the output. First line, what is the first line of the code? Body tag code, normal horizontal line. Normal horizontal line. Again, second line of the output is one single line. What is the code of this? Open bracket HR and closing in the angular bracket. HR. Simply we are writing HR tag means the output is one single line, horizontal line. Again, third line of the output is horizontal line with height of 30 pixel. Okay, what is the horizontal line with p paragraph tag, p tag? Inside the paragraph tag, p tag, writing horizontal line with a height of 30 pixel. Okay, what is the fourth line? HR size equal to 30. So HR size, horizontal rule, that line, horizontal line size equal to 30. Okay, so look at the output, fourth line, that is the height 30, size equal to 30. So in this way, and again another one, text, horizontal line with height of 30 pixel and no shade. Okay, that is the fourth line of the output. Again, what is the next last one is the gray color line, gray color. Okay, look at the code, HR size equal to 30, no shade. Okay, this is the use of no shade attribute. Okay, understand? Okay, next one is P, paragraph. Already we saw this type of code. Is it? P tag defines a paragraph. Browsers automatically add a single blank line before and after each P element. The code is like inside the body tag, P, this is a paragraph, and close the paragraph tag, backslash P, and again P, this is the next paragraph. Okay, there is two text inside body tag. Look at the output, this is paragraph, this is a next paragraph. There is one single line break, one space between two text. Okay, this is the use of paragraph tag. Understand? Okay, next, align attribute. Paragraph tag consists of 4 align attributes. It is used to specify the alignment of paragraph text. Okay, what is the left, right, center, justify? Everyone know left means it set the text left align. And again right means set the text in right side. Center means text at in the center place. Align the text from both left and right margin means justify. We are using justify. Okay, the code is like this way. Okay, inside the body tag, after the closing head tag, you are writing body tag p align is equal to center. This is the way we are writing the code. P align is equal to center. Center aligns. Again we close the paragraph tag slash b. Again p align right. Again the text right align content. Again close the paragraph tag. Okay, what is the output? Center align content, right align content. Okay, that's the way. Understand? P align center, it's align the text at the center place. Right align center means there is one space, one single line space between two texts, and right the text is aligned at the right side. Okay, okay, this is the use of paragraph tag. Understand? Okay, thank you, student.